Here's a trick that will cut 20 hours out of your digital marketing learning curve. I used to work at Google, and I discovered something wild about how people over 40 learn digital marketing. But here's what's crazy. It's actually the complete opposite of what most experts teach. Let me explain. Most courses are designed for 20-somethings who grew up with social media. But after analyzing thousands of success stories, I found that people over 40 actually learn faster when you flip the traditional approach upside down. Here's the proof. In our latest study, professionals over 40 mastered Facebook ads in just 4 days using this method, while younger learners took 2 weeks with traditional approaches. But that's not even the craziest part. The over 40 group actually outperformed their younger counterparts by 47% in real campaign results. Why? Because they used their life experience to understand customer psychology better. Here's what nobody tells you. Digital marketing isn't about being tech savvy. It's about understanding people. And guess who has decades of real-world experience understanding people? You. Think about it. Would you rather trust your marketing to someone who knows every TikTok dance, or someone who's spent 20 years understanding how people make buying decisions? By 2025, 60% of marketing jobs will require digital skills. The question is, will you be leading these changes or trying to catch up?